Morning, St. Andrews English Medium School, class 9 students. Here we have having the textbook Beehive in English, that is for class 9 NCERT textbook. It is the syllabus is NCERT, and let's get into the first topic of this academic year, that is the unit 1, the fun they had. Before you read, just we'll come to know that children, now what we are doing now, without any books, without any classroom, we are going on through our online classes. In the similar way, this lesson is also related to our situation. Yes, the story we shall read is a set in the future when books and schools as we now know them, all them will perhaps not exist. How will children study them? The diagram below may give you some ideas. Yes, here is the diagram. You can see, children, the school of the future. Schools of the future is there. Here there is a school without any teacher and without any books. You can see that is a girl learning through virtual classroom. Virtual classroom is through machines or through machines. You can see here the girl is learning in the classroom, and you can see here the boy is going through the computer, and here is a teacher. It is a robotic teacher. Robotic teacher is nothing but the the teacher has no life, it's a machine, and here it is all the lessons and the data all will be stored in the machine, so that it is a robot teacher which teaches the subjects. And here you can see the moving e-text. Moving e-text is nothing but the whatever text we are reading or whatever we write is through computer. Yes, and also you can see here they are given some assessment to do. That is what now in our school, what is the most what do you most like in the school? The three things you have to write. What do you like in the school, and what change you wanted to in our school? Those three things also you have to write as a assessment. And now we will come to know, have you ever read words on a television or a computer screen? Can you imagine a time when all books will be on computers and there will be no books printed on paper? Would you like such books better? Yes. Children, they are asking some question here. That is what you can see now. You are reading all the text is through online classes, through mobiles or through computers. Yes. So, do you like that? Do you like to read through computers or through mobiles? So, you are asked some questions that you like or not. Here is a girl named Margie, her name is. She explains what fun they had. Okay, Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. She wrote something about the topic that if they have no books and no teacher, what will be happens? She wrote in the diary. On the page headed 17th May 2157, she wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book." Yes, here you can see Margie wrote in her diary at the night time. At the top of the page, 17th May 2157, that is the date written on the diary at the top. About a topic is, today Tommy found a real book. Means here Tommy find some real book. Real book means in their time there was no book maybe, so he found a book, a real book they found. That is what it was, a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. They turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen, And then when they turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it that it had when they read it at the first time. Yes, in the first paragraph you can see that children, Margie wrote about Tommy. He found a real book. So that real book is whose book it is? It is his grandfather's book. So that book, they were watching that book. That was when they saw that book, they are thinking that it was a very different book. Means they are seeing that book as a first time. Means they are learning stories or any text or anything that is through computers only. They don't know the books. So when they found the book for the first time, they were surprised, and they are seeing that the book, how the book looks means here the pages of the book were in yellow color. Means it was an old book, because you can, when the book is stored for long days, you can see that children, the pages change to yellow color and crinky means like some dusty, and some little papers are small crushed like that. Yes, and it was very awfully funny. Awfully funny means it was a very real funny to read the words on the book. You know, see children, here these Margie and Tommy were reading the text on the computers. On the computers you can see the text will be moving. But when coming to the book, you can see that the books in the books the words remain constant and the same position. So they are looking at the letters which are constant at the same place, and they are thinking that was the first time they are watching a book. Second paragraph you can see, "Gee," said Tommy, "what a waste. When you are through with the book, you just throw it away. I guess our television screen must have had 1,000,000 books on it, and it's good for plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away." Yes, here Tommy is there. He is telling, yeah, what a waste book it is. When you are through with the books, you just throw it away. Then this Tommy is telling that if you have a books, then you have to throw this book. Don't take this book. Shall I guess? See, you just throw it away. I guess our television screen must have had 1,000,000 books. He is telling that instead of this book, we have lots of book in our television. Means through on machines we have lots of books in machines. They will be stored. Throw this book, like that the Tommy is telling. "Same with mine," said Margie. Yes, Margie is also telling that yes, I also think the same. She was 11 and hadn't seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. He was 13. Yes, here Margie's age is 11. Yes, her age is 11 and Tommy age is 13. And here Margie and Tommy, they are both they are doing the conversation about the book. They are thinking they don't know how the books are. They don't know how the book looks. They just know about the books. Telebooks are those books which we can see on the screens or machines we can see. So they know only about the machines or books on the television or on a systems or on a machines, but they don't know how the book seems to be. Yes. Next you can see here, you can know that the Tommy's age is 13 and Margie's age is 11. And she said, "Where did you find it?" Yes, Margie is asking about the book. "Where did you find this book?" "In my house," he pointed without looking because he was busy reading. "In the attic." Yes. "What's it about?" "School." Yes. Here, when the Margie is telling that please throw that book, we no need of this book. We know we have lots of books in our televisions and on the computers. Then why we have to read this book? Just throw away. But here Tommy is in a anxiety or in a surprise to read what is there in the book. Okay, you can see the meaning attic given here, a space just below the roof used as a storeroom. Yes. Now see, in olden days we have lots of space to store something for grains. In the same way here there is a attic which is a space given to store some books, and or else we can call it as a storeroom where you can store some things. Yes, here Tommy is learning that book in an anxiety way, what is written in the book. But here Margie is telling him to throw that book. What is written in that book? It is nothing but about the school it is written. Margie was scornful. School? What's there to write about school? I hate school. Yes, scornful is showing you think something is worthless. Worthless is priceless. Means which is useless for Margie. Here Margie don't know about school. She don't know how the school will be. She don't know how the books will be. So here Margie is surprised about school. What is there to write about school? I hate school. Means she don't like the school here. Yes, next is, you can see here, Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. Yes, here Margie is scornful, means she has no interest about the books and school. She hated them because all the things she learnt is through machines. Her mechanical teacher is there. She always teaches geography and always tests the lesson through machines only. So here she cannot do properly about the subject in geography. So she always be sent to the county inspector. Here county is nothing but a machine. Okay, just go through the lesson, read the lesson. We'll go to the next class the next day. Thank you.